Many people believe that becoming financially stable means they have already reached the finish line because the bills are paid. Income arrives consistently, emergencies feel manageable, and daily financial stress begins to disappear. While this level of stability is a major achievement that provides security and peace of mind, it is not the same as building true wealth. Financial stability creates a strong foundation, but wealth is built on top of that foundation through ownership, long-term planning, and assets that continue generating value over time. The difference is not simply how much money someone earns, but how they think about money and what they choose to build with it. Financial stability focuses on maintaining control over everyday finances, while wealth focuses on creating financial systems that continue working even when you are not actively earning income. Stable individuals often protect their salaries and manage their expenses carefully, whereas wealth builders concentrate on acquiring investments, businesses, income-producing assets, and opportunities that appreciate over time. Instead of depending entirely on exchanging hours for money, they gradually build sources of income that require less direct involvement. This shift from earning to owning is one of the biggest mindset changes that separates long-term wealth from short-term financial security. Another important difference appears in the way decisions are made because financially stable people often ask how much something costs, while wealth-focused individuals also consider what long-term value that decision might create. They understand that not every expense is equal. Some purchases become investments that generate future income, stronger skills, or greater opportunities. Wealth builders also approach risk differently by studying, evaluating, and managing it instead of avoiding every uncertain situation completely. They understand that intelligent risk management creates opportunities, while fear alone often limits long-term financial growth. Patience also plays a critical role because stability can often be achieved through budgeting, saving, and disciplined spending habits, while wealth requires allowing investments, businesses, and assets enough time to grow. Compounding rarely produces dramatic results in the beginning, which is why many people lose motivation before meaningful progress appears. Truly wealthy individuals often prioritize buying assets before upgrading their lifestyle because they understand that appearances do not always reflect financial strength. They recognize that consistent ownership eventually creates freedom that higher spending alone never can. The journey from financial stability to lasting wealth usually begins with a simple question: how can I make my money work harder than I do? That single question changes priorities from earning alone to building systems that generate future income and financial independence. Stability remains essential because it provides the discipline, savings, and structure needed to support future investments. But it should be viewed as the starting point rather than the final destination. The strongest financial strategy combines both stability and wealth building, creating security today while expanding opportunities for tomorrow. If you want more insights into personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts below.